Ito na ang inaantay nyo. So here is my full review about the Kadlaj Fursan White, or a said dupe of the famous Mathieu Premier Vanilla Powder. Let's go. As usual, before we review, I don't possess the OG, or at least try to smell the OG, so I'll be reviewing this based on the smell that I get from this perfume as well as its performance. So without further ado, let's go. So, as a gourmand lover, Fursan White is one of the perfumes that I've been longing to get. So, I get this from the Dubai shop, Baliwag, sa my Orange app, and I get this from less than 1,200 pesos. So let's talk about the scent. Kadlaj Fursan White opens with a very similar to a jasmine na scent and then quickly dries down into a coconut vanilla type of scent. I would compare the scent of this sa isang coconut vanilla ice cream, or even a type na gatas na powder, but I just forgot what kind of powdered milk yung scent niya. Basta may similar scent talaga siya sa isang gatas na powder. So let's talk about the performance of this. Performance niya, for its longevity, it lasted, take note guys, it lasted for like 8 to 10 hours, not just on clothes, but on my skin. Ganon ka balabag si Fursan in my end. But take note, as always, it always depends on your skin cam as well as the type of activity that you're doing while wearing any kind of perfumes. But for me, it lasted 8 to 10 hours longevity. For its projection, it projects wild. Bakit wild? Kasi ang loud niya, and sometimes mafe-feel mo yung presence siya even if you lived on that room. Wow, parang multo. So I would say it has a loud projection that can fill a whole room. For sillage, of course, it does leave a scent trail. I sprayed this to my little sister, and guess what? After I came back, I passed through her, naamoy ko pa rin yung Fursan White. Take note, nawala ako for like 1 to 3 hours. Pero pagbalik ko, andun pa rin yung amoy niya sa kanyang kamay. Ganon kabalabag si Fursan White. Damn! So let's move on with its overall performance, or overall summary rather. Fursan White is best even though it's gourmandy because of the vanilla scent, but I think you could pull this off during summer. I would say yung summer na hindi masyadong mainit or super duper init, you can pull this off like mainit lang, or even like for date nights during summer nights. Kasi may coconut scent siya. And this one is one of my ultimate compliment getter aside from my Latafa Fakhar, because of very mas appealing yung scent niya because of its sweetness or gourmandish scent. Enough na ako with very much explanation and yapping, so I would rate this Fursan White as 11 out of 10 because kakadating lang nito, I sprayed this on my skin, I immediately got a compliment, so who am I to complain? For its price, I think okay lang din naman, like 1,000 plus, but ganon. SP later lang eh, haha. Bye muna lang.